Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to use the Oracle PeopleSoft. So yeah, in this video, since we have the request for a demo, I'm going to show you the overview or the things that you need to know about the Oracle PeopleSoft. Okay, so right here, you can change the region or your country. You should be able to see here your location. So now let us go and explore the PeopleSoft. Okay, so right here, these are the key benefits that you need to know. So we have intuitive user experience, configured your way, powerful insights, continuous delivery. So here, the first one is the fluid user interface. So give your users a modern UI and flexibility to use PeopleSoft applications on any device. Fluid is a standard UI used by the majority of PeopleSoft customers, Classic Plus ads, and more. So here, get started with Fluid and Classic Plus to develop Fluid applications, use the PeopleSoft Fluid interface, view delivered Fluid pages, and implement Classic Plus. Next is configure the your way. Okay, so right here, take advantage of the powerful tools to configure and customize the software to meet your unique needs in a sustainable way. So here, tailor PeopleSoft to meet your unique needs without customizations that are costly to build and maintain. So configuration frameworks and selective adoption can maximize your customer satisfaction. So here, PeopleSoft has always enabled customers to tailor the system to meet their unique requirements. Traditional approaches to customizations are expensive to create and maintain and make it difficult to take delivered updates and new innovations. And yet today, customers and end users expect a more personalized and productive experience than ever before. So the PeopleSoft has introduced many ways to eliminate invasive issues. So here, why personalize and configure? For the personalization, it is easy for any end user, makes adoption easier and users more productive, similar to personalization people already do in other places, enables users to adapt the user interface to the way they look, plus the configuration. Okay, so for the configuration, easy to do without coding, powerful menu options, streamline navigations and actions, eliminate costly customizations, makes maintenance and image uptake easier, faster, and less expensive, and align user interface with your business processes. So just have to configure PeopleSoft to meet your needs or personalizing PeopleSoft to make it yours. Next is to align your user interface with your business. And if you want to explore it more, you just have to click on it. Okay. So yeah, let's just scroll down. And right here we have this different information. So we have the activity guidelines. Activity guides lets you define guided procedures for your employees. People tools branding features allow you to manage the look and feel of any PeopleSoft application. Okay, here you have the nav bar. So the fluid nav bar provides access to recently visited pages, favorites, and the full menu. We also have here the navigation collections, related actions, or related content that lets you access contextualized relevant actions. We have the PeopleSoft Insights, the tiles, and other information. Next is we have the powerful insights. Okay, so let's just wait for a couple of seconds. Here you can access PeopleSoft Insights directly from your PeopleSoft applications. Insight to use pre-existing search indexes, so there's no load on the transactional database, and it comes with your PeopleTools installation, so you'll have no additional cost for licensing or implementation. Okay, so here the PeopleSoft Insights, and then we have the review documentation, installation, and other informations. Next, lastly, we have the continuous delivery to deliver new features to your business. Okay, so let's just click on this one, and here quickly and easily adapt new features and apply maintenance, adopt your strategy, schedules, and budgets to update applications and people tools frequently, and then choose only the updates you want only when you want them. Okay, so we have informations right here below. So we have a new mindset. So in a world without upgrades, business systems are agile. So quickly and easily to adapt new features, apply maintenance to PeopleSoft applications. We also have stay current in People Tools, application update guidelines, People Tools update guidelines. We have the stay informed, and then the measure your progress, see what customers are doing with selective adoption, and then your resources. Okay, so again, in a world without upgrades, business systems are agile, quickly and easily to adapt the new features and apply maintenance to your PeopleSoft applications. Updates are frequent, new features and maintenance are easy to apply. And then the work that used to go into planning and upgrade now happens throughout the year as a normal part of the updating and maintaining the system. So you're in control, you decide what to apply and when to apply them. Next is to define your strategy. So define your strategy, adjust your schedule, and set your budget for frequent feature and maintenance adoption. These tasks are related when scheduling and budgeting for new feature adoption. Also consider your maintenance strategy. Next is we have here the stay current in People Tools. So to facilitate easy updates for new application features and fixes, stay on a supported version of People Tools. So with the current People Tools support policy, a People Tools version is no longer supported 24 months after the next People Tools release. Next, we have the application update guidelines. Okay, so immediately apply the critical P1 tags, regulatory and security updates using the latest update image. Regularly apply schedules, low cost, high impact features and fixes. So these are small targeted efforts that require little development time and have a low impact on users. So basically, the Oracle PeopleSoft offers a comprehensive suite for business applications that provide organizations with robust functionality to manage human resources, finance, supply chain, and customer relationships. And one key advantage of PeopleSoft is its flexibility and scalability, allowing it to be tailored to meet the unique needs of both small and large enterprises. It supports complex business processes, integrates seamlessly with other Oracle products, and offers a user-friendly interface with mobile capabilities. Additionally, PeopleSoft is known for its strong security features and continuous updates through the Oracle Selective Adoption model, ensuring that the organizations can stay current with a minimal disruption. And that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.